The tech industry, it continues to face a period of major change. Uber is the latest company making the headlines now. The ride-hailing giant, it has announced a fresh round of layoffs affecting employees within its people and places division. Well, the team responsible for human resources, recruitment, and workplace operation. Here, reports suggest that about 23% of employees in this division they have been impacted. While Uber insists that these layoffs they are not related to artificial intelligence, but how can you ignore the timing? Timing has raised questions now. Across the tech industry, companies are reconstructing. Companies are cutting costs and looking for ways to become more efficient here. And at the very same time, businesses are investing heavily in AI tools or maybe automation. Now, as a result, many workers are wondering what the future really holds for traditional corporate roles. For Indians working in the US technology sector, every layoff announcement it creates a lot of maybe concern or anxiety. Thousands of Indian professionals they are employed by major tech companies, the biggies, and many are on work visas that depend on continued employment. Losing a job can create additional immigration challenge for them, and that American citizens they do not face it. Although Uber says that the reconstructing is designed to simplify operations and improve efficiency. But let's be honest, the announcement is another reminder that tech sector remains unpredictable. Employees across the industries they are closely watching how companies balance growth, automation, and workforce reduction. Now, when people hear about H-1B visas, they usually think about technology workers, maybe software engineers, right? But the program plays a much bigger role in American economy. Schools, in fact, hospitals, research institutions, other organizations, they also depend on skilled foreign program and professionals. The reality it was highlighted during the recent Senate hearing where lawmakers they raised concern about how rising visa costs they are affecting schools in rural communities. Ladies and gentlemen, several lawmakers they kind of argued that school districts in remote parts of America they face the same challenges as hospitals trying to recruit the doctors. In fact, in many cases, there are not enough qualified workers that are available locally. As a result, schools often recruit teachers from overseas, including many from India and other countries too. Senators they urged the Department of Homeland Security just to continue providing flexibility or maybe relief for these critical positions. The story it is also very important because it highlights a reality often overlooked in the immigration debate. Skilled immigrants they are not only working in technology companies, they are teaching children, they are treating the patients, in fact conducting research, supporting communities across the US. In fact, many rural areas depend heavily on these professionals just to fill the positions that would otherwise remain vacant. Now, for Indians considering career abroad, the whole discussion it is encouraging because it shows that some American lawmakers they do recognize the important role skilled immigrants continue to play. However, it also highlights how immigration policies they remain a major topic of debate in Washington.